Good morning, y'all. So today's Monday, first day of spring break, and I'm up and out to get my day started. So I am gonna head off to Chick-fil-A. So we had enough points like built up from last week and the week before with us going in order to get us all free chicken minis, me and Sky free hash browns, and then a free drink for myself. So I don't have to pay for anything this morning. So like 10 minutes later, supposed to have everything free, and then I was adding on a cookie, a 6 count of cookies. Everything was supposed to be free because it's all in my app, and next thing you know, they're like, oh, this price, this amount, $12, $22. Well, didn't end up getting the chicken and minis free, even though that you can clearly see them here on my account. So I ended up having to pay this morning. That just chaps my butt because it was already like planned out that I shouldn't have had to pay anything other than whatever extra I got. So now that, you know, I've given the kids their food, it's very transparent why my rewards wouldn't go through, and it's because we have a 3 count chicken and minis. I didn't ask for a 3 count. I asked for 4 count chicken and minis. I've never even heard of a 3 count. So now I'm having to turn back around to go back over here and fix this and get my money back. Like, I didn't plan on spending any money up until the fact that I said, oh, let me get these cookies to help, you know, towards a good cause. But no, not $22 worth that could be put into my gas for chicken and mint. All right, we finally fixed the problem, except I just didn't take the extra 4 count that was owed to me. So got my money back, heading home. Hey. All right, y'all, so I just woke up from a little itty bitty nap. Y'all, if y'all like these pillows, I found these at Walmart. So they have like some spring pillows out for like $4. But anyways, I just woke up from a nap not too long ago. I haven't been doing much today. Other than, you know, just like taking care of life. And taking care of the dogs, my kids, and myself. I do have some homework I need to do, so I need to get ready to get on top of that. And then I think I'm in the process of editing one video, so I'm gonna go pop over to this computer. Just got so much going on over here. Need to clean my desk area. Happy Tuesday. It is almost 7 o'clock. I'm up and I'm heading out to Starbucks. I need something. So I am going to be fixing my egg sandwich today for breakfast, and yeah, so I'm gonna order a drink, a vanilla bean frappuccino with hazelnut syrup and some holiday sprinkles on top, which whatever holiday sprinkles they have. So thank me later for this recipe because it's gonna taste like birthday cake. All right, so I got this. I got the warm mocha, and then I got the venti cup of ice so I can have an iced coffee when I get home. So they didn't have the holiday sprinkles. I just had to get the sprinkles that come on top of the caramel, but I'm gonna give it a try. We'll see. Yeah, it tastes like birthday cake, but it also reminds me of the other one that I get that tastes like wedding cake. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, something I can have later, and then right now I'm gonna go ahead and get my iced coffee together. I have my Cake Batter Delight, which is my favorite to use with these, and it does have vanilla syrup already in here. Use all of it. Meanwhile, I'm about to make me some eggs. Almost forgot an ingredient that I love adding in, milk. Hey y'all, so I thought I would check in. I had to change my clothes because I was getting hot. The weather here today is like 80 degrees. So I just had to put something different on. I have been in the kitchen juicing all morning, making 4 different juices. As I'm on spring break this week, I thought this would be really great to try out some new recipes, make some of the older ones. And yeah, so me and Sky have been cleaning up the stuff from her room, and then I've been editing and filming, so that's just what I'm doing today. Who knows what else I'll get into. I really need to figure out what it is we're gonna thaw out for dinner, but I also think I might call and order for Chinese because I am sorry. All right, y'all, so it's 5 o'clock, time to get ready for dinner. Tonight I'm going to do pizza and wings, so I'll get that cooking, show you guys my dinner. I don't have anything else I need to do this afternoon other than finish cleaning up Sky's room. So I'll show you guys what we've actually accomplished and what still needs to be accomplished. All right, so we went through the toys in this bucket and we just need to finish. I fixed up her hangers. This child is lazy, y'all. I swear she is. We need to, yeah, okay. we need to figure all that out. And then of course, I don't understand why we have a drawer open full of pants. Everything like needs to be closed. Anyways, we got all the shoes together. Got this looking much better. This area put together, mini brands, whatever. Some of the other things are like, all of this stuff right here is Barbie. So whatever, as long as it's all in the same area. But she gonna come clean that shit up. Yeah, she's gonna come clean this up. And then we got this area together and looking nice. I'm not understanding why these handcuffs are over here. But this, we got that area looking nice. And then of course this is her bed. I don't know how she could sleep with 50,000 of those things up there. And then we just need to get this together and the blankets and stuff put away. Other than that, I gotta feed Uni and get him some food. Let me do that now. Oh, there he is. Hey, Uni! Uni is Skylar's stubborn hamster. So he now knows that there's food out, so here he comes. He has a apple treat. It's like an apple chew treat. And then I'm also gonna put one of these wood chews in. These are like for hamsters. It's just made with food, great coloring, and it just helps to satisfy the boredom and helps them to just chew. So looks like Uni has gotten so much smaller. Uni is like the fattest little thing, like once he gets all the food and stuff like that. But anyways, let me put this stuff back on. Got my shirt in the mail from Amazon that I ordered on Thursday before spring break. And it is just a shirt that says, "Hi, I'm the teacher, it's me." But it came with a hole in it. So, of course, I said something to Amazon and wanted my money back. Who is going to wear this shirt with a hole in the neck part? So let me tell y'all something. This country sausage gravy by Libby's is good. I like to say that the reason why I keep eating it is because we don't have Hardee's anymore, and I do not like making my own gravy. So this is what I'm gonna have for breakfast. So biscuits and gravy, that way I can give the eggs and toast a break. My biscuit and gravy with one of my cucumber, apple, lemon juices. So this will just be my drink. Normally I drink Javi, so you guys can check out that link in my description box down below. Alright, so I've been doing a lot of cleaning around the house this spring break, and one of the places I've been cleaning is basically my dry foods. So I was going through some of these packets, and 2 of them were like 2022. Y'all ain't no way in the world. But cleaning up here, and then getting ready to make some cube steak for dinner tonight and some butter noodles. Like y'all, prime example, 10, 12, 22. There's no way in the world that I just left this stuff sitting up in my cabinet. Let's go ahead and make some. All right, y'all, so it's Thursday, and just thought I'd fill you in on a little bit of what I did yesterday. So in the previous clip, I had posted a short where I made some zucchini banana bread loaves. So I made about 10 to 11 mini loaves. I have these little 3 containers that I bought from Target for $7.99. If I can find it, I'm gonna post it here and also the link so that you guys can order it. But I also am ordering this one here from Amazon. So if you like that one, both links will be in my description box down below. But let me just show you guys. So here's just an example. These 2 I left out, and then this one we were eating on. So they can be left out for up to a week. As long as they're in some type of airtight container. And all of the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are up here. I gave 1 away, so technically, yes, that was 11. So for breakfast this morning, we went and stopped at Krispy Kreme, and I got a cake batter donut. This is honestly my favorite. Cake batter is the all-time favorite. I did give me an iced coffee with it because I didn't feel like coming home to make one. Okay, so I don't really have too much planned for today. I know that I keep putting it off and putting it off and putting it off, but I do need to clean my oven. If any of y'all want to come help me clean my oven. It's like, other than that, I'm gonna get on and check to see what homework needs to be done just to get it over and done with. And then there's a couple people I need to watch this morning, so I am gonna get on and watch those videos. All right, y'all, so let's see. I'm just cleaning up here, getting some things situated. This was over here, and so now I'm gonna have both of them side by side. I cleaned up all of my food, if it's expired or whatever, it had to go. And then, like I said, now I'm trying to just get it together. So that's what I'm doing. Got laundry going, and of course I got this mess with all my baking stuff, and I have to clean the kitchen table off. All right, y'all, so this stand right here used to be over here, as you guys seen in the previous clips as I started talking about how I was cleaning up. All right, organized over here, all the bubblies, the drinks, my baking supplies are in that purple container, the 3 Spring Miss Myers collection, my cookie cutters, all of my Java coffees. So now I do have a little collection going on and will not need to order for a good while. I have all of my circle sip cartridges, got the gingerbread houses in the back that'll still be good for the kids to decorate this year. And then this is how I ended up organizing their stuff. So this cart right here is strictly for Sky, strictly for Cam. That way they can come over, grab their snacks, and go. Some of the things that I left up top were things such as like lunch boxes, insulated, things for like in the winter when we do food, and then all of like her little serving plates and his breakfast. They both have snack Ziploc bags, and then all of their snacks and stuff. It's that cleaning music, y'all. So I made us some fish sticks, and I'm gonna get some ketchup, and I have some mandarin oranges that I peeled along with my food. So it's my lunch. I'm gonna grab me a bubbly now that they're nice and cold, and have some lunch and lay down and take a nap. So yes, y'all, today is our last day of spring break. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog and say that it's been just a chill spring break. Got to sit back, watch videos, clean up my house, get my life in order, and kind of just like spend a well-needed time away from other people's kids, and got to be around my own kids. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this week-long spring break vlog. If you have, go ahead and be sure to like it, and then also consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of great things here on my channel, as I'm just being C'Aira, and who knows what's coming next. Bye.